This is a walking frame. This is used to support the tamping machine walking on the rail. And this is the off-road and on-road walking frame. It will be connecting to the walking frame on the rail. It is used for the machine go off from the rail. In case something emergency, the train passing by, the machine is easy to release from the rail. If you have the lifting fork vehicle, we can put the machine in this way. Then the other way, we can see there are two hooks on the beam. If we're using the big lifting machine, we can use the lifting machine to lifting it and put it on the off-road frame. Pushing the machine onto the walking frame. Properly and insert the safety pin to fix the machine stable on the wheel. Now we will lifting down the machine and checking the clamps. Checking the clamps, is it clamped on the wheel tightly? Now we will folding up the off-rail frame up using the hook on the rail. So during the working procedure, the off-rail frame will working together with the tamping machine. In case something emergency, if the train pass by, we can lift down the frame immediately and remove the tamping machine off the rail. Hello everyone, this is Christina from the International Sales Manager from Jinzhou Tiegong Railway Maintenance Machinery Company. So today I will introduce our YD-22 diesel engine tamping machine. First of all, I will introduce how to do the preparation jobs of this machine. So the first step, we can see the tank. This is the hydraulic oil tank. So we will fill in the hydraulic oil inside. We will open up the tap and fill in the oil. Now it is the winter time, so we will using number 32 hydraulic oil. If during the summertime, we will using 48 to 68 number hydraulic oil. Close up the cap and double check how is the volume of the hydraulic oil. Here there is a checking window. When the oil level reach the middle level, we can see the red colored dots. If the level reach here, that means enough. The second step is we will filling in the water, cold water before using. Here is the water tank. Before we using starting the machine, we have to fill in full of the water here. Step is we can see here is the lubricating oil tank. We open up the cap and fill in the lubricating oil. The lubricating oil is special use for the diesel engine. After filling the oil, we can take out the gauging ruler and to check how is the oil level. There are two levels here. If the oil reach in the middle of the two levels, that means the oil amount is enough. Then put it back. And put in the cap. Okay. The fourth step is we will filling in the diesel oil. Here the tank is the diesel oil tank. We open up the cap and fill in the proper amount diesel oil inside here. China is winter time, so we will fill in the number -35 diesel engine. During the summertime, we will using around number 0 diesel engine oil. Okay, after fill in the oil, proper amount oil, we will close up the cap. Now during the winter time, we will using number -35 diesel oil. During the summertime, we will using around the number 0 diesel oil. There is a caution part. That is before using and starting this machine, we have to remember to fill in the cold water inside and fill in the hydraulic oil inside. Otherwise, we will damage the whole machine. That's very important. Before we starting the machine, we have to double check the clamping device here. We will lifting up the machine first. We can see the clamp tightly. Then pushing down the machine, the clamp will be open widely. If we check all the requirements is fulfillment, that means the machine can be used. We can see here there is a diesel oil pipe. Before we starting the machine, we have to open up this screw and release the diesel oil, because sometimes there are some air in the oil pipe. This is a very important procedure. The purpose is we want to release all the air in the pipe to let the oil running fluently. this part is the main part of this machine. The name of this part is multi-function valve devising machine. So this part have two handles. The first handle is used for the machine lifting up and lifting down. If I press down, the machine will be lifting up. Then go back reverse. And I press down, the machine will going down. And the other handle is using for the tamping peaks. If I press up, the clamps will be clamped together. If I holding it back, the clamp will be clamping together. This is the emergency handle of hydraulic operation tools. If before this machine go out of the reel, then the hydraulic engine is not working well. We will using this handle. So you can see we push it back and take it out and put it here. In case something emergency, the machine is not working well, we can press it down and to take the machine lifting up. The handle is only used for emergency happens.